Alright guys, welcome to another G Auto Repair YouTube video. Just want to do a quick video here, a little tech tip for you. This is 2018 Honda Civic, and I've already seen a couple of Hondas with this issue. If you're checking your transmission and you find that the fill plug, let me see if I can get you a good shot here, right there. See how that plug is popped off and the hole is wide open? Well, first of all, you don't want that because you don't want moisture, water, dirt, and grime and crap to get in there and ruin your transmission. That's one. But if you see that, maybe you have already installed it and it keeps popping off and is driving you crazy, stop right there. Okay, come over here, and in this particular situation is right here. I already took it off, so all you're gonna see is a little tube. I'm sorry, it's kind of difficult to get a clear shot, but it's right there. Let me see. Oh, there it is, right there. Right there. That's gonna have a breather cap. Okay, it's not on there because I just popped it off. Okay, it's gonna look something like this. What happens is this hole right here gets plugged up, so you can blow through it, and you're gonna feel that it's very restricted. Okay, I had to clean this one because it was plugged up completely. This is several times I've already seen this. I don't know if this is a common issue or what, but these little boogers here get plugged, and then the transmission can't breathe, so it pops, you know, with the pressure, with the heat and all that. So then what happens, it pops off that plug, because all that is just goes in there under pressure. So I had my last customer actually bought a new one from Honda, and it didn't do nothing. As soon as she drove down the road, it popped right out because it builds pressure inside the transmission. So that's why they put these little breather caps in there to let that pressure escape from somewhere, and that prevents leaks and whatnot. So just a little tech tip for you guys. If you keep running into that issue, stop right there, check this out. If it's plugged up, clean it out. Okay, just clean it out and pop it right back in, put your plug back in there, and you should be okay. All right, so I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next video. Ciao.